yeah, I'm flaky. Had a couple man won't be me. Them man can't be T. Tell them only winners are allowed. No diggity, no diggity out. I was getting blows before girls were putting out. Told them I was gonna blow back when I was in the south. Go low, everybody go.